All right, what is a hyperobject? To understand a hyperobject, you have to understand two concepts first. Undermining and overmining. Like, we're all having a conversation, right?
Yes.
To undermine this conversation would be to talk about the atoms, molecules, proteins, etc. that are interacting in physical space that create this conversation. So it's like, what's beneath it? Overmining is going above an object and asking what this space might be a microcosm of. So for instance, this is a social dynamic occurring in LA in the year 2019 with this specific group of people, etc. When you go up, the substrate that you go into is a space where hyperobjects exist. So an example would be climate change and human interaction with climate change. Climate change doesn't exist here locally with us. It doesn't exist anywhere locally with any group of people. It's truly an object that exists spread across a very large group of people that kind of sticks to them because it comes from them and that they're part of. Does that make sense? But which is not, you can't see it in any individual, except some people like me who care about climate change. Or like, you know, people who like actively give a shit.
Active.
Yeah, like activists. And activists are people who are connecting to a hyperobject, basically.
Okay.